Section 1. The roar of the room, identifying your sonic nemesis. The scene is all too familiar. You have your camera ready. Your script is perfect. You press record, deliver your lines with passion, and hit stop. Then you play it back. There's a low hum from the air conditioner. A car horn blares from the street outside. Your words bounce, creating a hollow, unprofessional echo. This is an untreated room. It is the enemy of clean audio. Good sound is critical. Podcasts, films. Unwanted noise distracts your audience. It makes your work sound amateurish. The goal is simple: remove background noise. First step, don't spend money. Section 2. The first line of defense, sealing and blocking. Your first mission is to stop sound from entering your room from the outside. Sound travels like water. It will find any crack or opening and pour right through. The most common entry points are the gaps around doors and around windows. These are often the source of traffic noise, sirens, and other disturbances like a neighbor's lawnmower. Start with your door. Buy self-adhesive foam weather stripping. It is inexpensive and easy to use. Apply it along the jamb where the door makes contact when it closes. This creates an airtight seal that blocks a surprising amount of noise. Next, address the gap at the bottom of the door. This is a major highway for sound. An easy and effective solution is a door sweep, or a draft stopper. Strips of rubber or bristles screw onto the door bottom. Either option closes that gap. For windows, use heavy blackout or thermal curtains. The heavier the fabric, the better. Add mass to block sound. Moving blankets work great. Hang them over doors and windows for a big reduction. Section 3. Taming the echo. Softening your space. Now that outside noise is reduced, control the sound inside. The biggest problem is reverberation. Echo. Your voice hits hard, flat walls and floors and bounces back. That creates a messy, cavernous sound. Start with the floor. A thick area rug makes an immediate dramatic difference. The plusher and thicker, the more it absorbs. Next, the walls. Large empty walls are your enemy. You don't need to cover everything. Treat the first reflection points. When you see your mic in the mirror, mark that spot. Mark left, right, and front reflection points. Use moving blankets, thick comforters, or foam toppers on those spots. A full bookcase diffuses sound by breaking up reflections. Soft couches and chairs add absorption too. Build a temporary booth with a clothes rack and heavy blankets. The blankets absorb your voice before it bounces around. A simple PVC frame is a stable, low-cost option. Studio quality results on a budget. Soundproofing is not just about the room. It is also about how you use your equipment. Your choice of microphone matters. Two main types: condenser and dynamic. Condensers are very sensitive. Great detail, but they pick up room noise, fan hums, and echoes. Dynamics are less sensitive and capture close, loud sound. Often the better choice in untreated rooms. If you own a condenser, don't worry. Use proximity. Speak 4 to 6 inches from the mic. Boosts voice over background. Use a pop filter to stop plosive bursts. P, B, from thumping. Essential and inexpensive. Avoid the exact center of the room. Avoid corners. Low frequencies get boomy. Experiment. Small moves can reduce echo a lot. Always point the mic away from noise sources. Enable the low-cut or high-pass filter to remove rumble. Great for AC, traffic, and floor vibrations. Test loudest part. Set input to peak just below red for clean signal. You have now sealed the gaps, softened the surfaces, and optimized your gear. It is time to experience the after. Go back to the exact spot of your first recording. Use the same microphone and the same settings. Record the same short phrase. Now listen to the before and after back-to-back. The difference should be unmistakable. The hollow echo should be gone, replaced by a tighter, more focused sound. Background hums should be reduced or gone. This comparison is your best measure of success. A lower decibel reading proves the noise floor is down. You're not chasing anechoic silence. You're making meaningful improvements. If issues remain, tackle the next biggest offender. Add layers. Improve incrementally as budget and time allow. You have the power to control your sonic environment. Press record with confidence.